I'm doing an unboxing today of Maid Bakery Buckeyes, peanut butter Buckeyes. So this is really exciting. I found out about Maid from Goldbelly. They, if anyone knows anything about Goldbelly, they have stuff from anywhere in the country that you want, whatever you want. So I found out about them on Goldbelly, and then I went to their website and I ordered direct because I prefer to order direct, and they had some coupons, and I ordered 4 12-ounce containers of peanut butter Buckeyes. So they have some paperwork, and then they have, this is handcrafted, homemade with love. Chris was the baker. Okay, all right, here's what's inside. That's nicely packed here. Let's open one of these things up right now. I used to make these when I was a kid. My mother taught me how to make these, and these are a lot of work to make. And but I'll tell you, Buckeyes are one of the most delicious treats. If you like peanut butter and chocolate, man, it doesn't get any better than peanut butter Buckeyes. Oh my gosh, look at that. Those are beautiful. I'm not going to taste test one right on camera. Normally I do, but I will tell you this. I ordered some of these already, and I got them the other day. And I tasted them. And these Buckeyes, they don't get any better than that. They're as good, if not better, than the ones my mother taught me to make. We used to make these every year, but they're a pain to make. It's a lot of work. So Maid Bakery, I did a little research, and they do, their ingredients on these things are pretty good. They use just butter, sugar, stuff like that. We also ordered on our last order some chocolate chip cookies, and they're very good. They're fantastic. I highly recommend the chocolate chip cookies too. They're nice and chewy, and just simple but fantastic. And so that's the overview of the unboxing from Maid Bakery. These were ordered 2 days ago for free shipping. You order 3 items or more, you get free shipping, and they always have coupons. So go check out Maid Bakery. These are the real deal here, these Buckeyes. I'm a real fussy sweet tooth here, and you have to believe me, I would not lie about food. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you like the video, check out some of my other videos on my page and subscribe if you like them.